We're going to open up EQ8 and see how we can use the mix and match plus corners and angles blocks in a quilt. So let's design a quilt from scratch. We're going to start with a new quilt, and I'm going to do a horizontal layout. I'm going to go to the Layout tab, and the first thing you see is the number of blocks here, 4 by 4. We're going to leave it, but the next one is called the finished size of blocks, and this is really important. For this particular block library, we're going to want to select the size of block to match our Go Cube. In this case, I'm going to use a 12-inch Go Cube, so I need to make sure that these finished block sizes is 12 by 12 inches. Let's move over to the borders. I'm just going to miter these, and I'm also going to insert a 4-inch border. We're going to head over to the design. So under design, under block tools, the first thing I'm going to do is go grab a couple of those blocks from our new EQ8 block library for AccuQuilt. So we're going to open the block library, and when you open up the EQ8 block library, you're going to see the original EQ8 libraries, and when you downloaded the new mix and match plus corners and angles, it automatically placed them right here in the library for you under AccuQuilt libraries. So I'm going to select it, and the first library under there is our Go Cube mix and match corners and angles. So when I select that one, you'll see that there's 3 different categories here. So in those 216 blocks are made up of 72 blocks that are you can make with the Go Cube mix and match set. There's another 72 blocks that you can make when you add on the companion corner blocks, and then another 72 when you add on companion angle blocks. Let's go back to the mix and match blocks, and we're just going to select a couple of those. I'm going to select this Dutchman's Puzzle, and I'm going to go grab this one called Louisiana. And then I'm going to add them to my sketchbook. And let's close this. So now when we come back to our block tools to set blocks, we see those 2 blocks that we chose have popped in here for us to design with. So I'm going to place them in alternating blocks, and then I'm going to head over to Fabric Tools to color these. So I can color these any way I want. It's my design. I'm going to pick this light gray, I think, and I'm going to color that dark blue and make it a little brighter. I think I'm going to go grab this red and use it for my binding. And there's our quilt, all designed. I'm going to add it to my sketchbook.